Hello. In this tutorial, you'll see how to manage and post bids to your website. Bids allow you to post advertisements for prospective vendors to bid on any projects that you may have for your housing authority. The bid system within your website allows vendors to look at bids, register as plan holders, download documents, and receive addenda to the bids. To get to the bid system, click the Edit button in the Manage Bids card on your Website Manager dashboard. The Bid Management Index will appear. You can set the status to include open bids, closed bids, or all bids. You can also set the range of dates to filter out bids for a specific time frame. To add a new bid, click the Add a New Bid button. The new bid form will appear. The bid number is your internal identification number for this bid. The description should give your site visitors an idea on what the bid is for. The date issued will default to the current date. You can enter a new date or click the calendar button to the right to select a date. The due date can also be entered or selected with the calendar button. You can check off the button to receive email notices. You can optionally add a bid icon for this bid. The icon will appear to the right of the link used to view the bid. If you click on the magnifying glass button, it will take you to the Font Awesome website, where you can look for an icon to use for this bid. I'll enter construction in the search box and hit enter. A list of matching icons will appear. Next, change the version on the right from 7.20, or whatever is listed as the latest version, to 5.15.4. The list will be updated to only include icons for that version. I only want to see the free icons, so I'll click that button. The list is updated again so that it only shows the free icons. I'll select the Tools icon. Finally, I'll click on the code snippet in the middle. This will copy this code to my computer's clipboard. I can then paste this into the bid icon entry. I'll enter the email address for the contact person. I'll also check required registration. This means that in order to download a copy of the bid, the user must register with their name, address, and email. Once I've entered the information for the new bid, I'll click the Add Bid/RFP button to save it. The new bid appears in my list. Bids aren't very useful if there are no bid documents for the vendors to download. I'll upload the primary bid document for this bid. I'll start by clicking on the folder button as shown here. This brings up the documents list for this bid. As you can see, no documents have been uploaded for the bid at this time. I'll click the Upload a New Document button. I'll set the document title to Primary Bid Document, but you can call it whatever you like. I'll check Primary Document to indicate that this is the document users will download when they register for this bid. As you can see, I can also upload an addenda document to this bid. When you upload a document designated as an addendum, it is automatically emailed to all vendors who have registered for the bid. Additionally, if I have a final tabulation sheet, I can upload that as well. I can either click the Choose File button to browse for the document on my computer, or I can drag and drop it. Once I have entered the information for the bid document and selected the file, I'll click the Upload Document button. The new document appears in my Documents list. If I want to see which vendors have registered for this bid, I can click the View Plan Holders List button, as shown here. The list of registered vendor emails will appear, along with the date that they registered. If I want to send an email to all registered vendors, I can click on the Email button. This will allow me to enter the text of my email. I'll enter my notice and click the Send Email button to send it. In your website, the Bids option will appear in the Resources menu. When a visitor to your site clicks that, they will see the Bid/Procurement area. Clicking the View Details button will allow them to view and/or register for the bid. If you need to delete a bid, click on the red trash can button. The bid will be shown to make sure you are deleting the correct bid. Click Delete Bid/RFP to delete the bid. In this tutorial, we have seen how you can create bid advertisements for your website. We've seen how you can upload primary documents as well as addenda documents. Additionally, we've seen how you can require vendors to register for your bids and how you can view the list of registered users. Finally, we've seen how you can email all registered vendors.